Hi, I'm Sarah for Choices Coach. I'm a personal trainer and I am going to tell you one of my favorite mocktails. And you can make this at home and have your little bubbly beverage and celebrate and enjoy life. But I will say this, those calories from beverages really add up. And so, you can check out my last video where I showed you how I make my coffee. And that's like my one like true indulgence that I'm just like, I gotta have it and I gotta have it every day. But on the weekends, I will have a bubbly beverage. I don't drink these every day because I started drinking it every day and then I started packing on some pounds. So it was like, that's a no-go, no. So, but on the odd occasion, you can have a fun, bubbly beverage. And so this is sparkling red grape juice. Now, if you do drink alcohol, you could do this with champagne and make yourself a little spritzer this way to really cut those calories. I'm just saying, like the sugary beverages, alcohol, all of that will really add up, and ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody has time or the calories in their budget for all of that. And so we really want to watch the sugar, we want to watch alcohol intake, because those calories will add up and they will pack on the pounds. And so really pay attention to your daily habits. I'm not shaming anyone, I'm just saying if you want to get fit and healthy, you have to do the stuff. You really have to do the stuff. And so this is 150 calories for 8 ounces. It's 35 grams of sugar. So that's why we have to make a mocktail with it, okay? So this, I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm going to turn this into a tasty 40-calorie beverage. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm gonna measure, and I'm going to add club soda or sparkling water. That's how we do it. We water it down, and then that way it's not so many calories. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, so I have my food scale. I love my food scale. You gotta have a food scale. You really do. If you wanna lose weight, you gotta make sure that you measure. So I'm setting that to ounces, and I've set it to 0 with my glass on there. I'm gonna measure out 2 ounces of the bubbly. So it looks like that. So that's gonna be about 40 calories. Then you wanna make sure that your bubbly stays bubbly. So definitely get the cans or get bottles, little bottles, because if you get a big bottle of club soda, it goes flat and then it's useless to you, because we want those bubbles. So I'm going to add in my club soda. See, it's nice and fizzy and bubbly, and that's what we want. And so I'm just gonna stop when it gets to about 8 ounces. And so I have the 2 ounces, so I added about 6 ounces roughly of the club soda. I'm gonna taste that. Cheers. Let's celebrate life. All right, now to taste. It's beautiful. It's not too sweet. It's just right. It has all of the flavor from the grape juice without being so saccharine, It doesn't taste like a kid's beverage. It tastes like a nice adult mocktail, and your kids would love it too, and they don't need all that sugar. I mean, hello, you feed kids some sugar and it's like they're bouncing off the walls, right? So this is a fun beverage for the whole family. And the thing is, if you do drink alcohol and you want to do this with champagne or something like that, just be mindful that those alcohol calories, alcohol is 7 grams or 7 calories per gram. So it's actually more calories than the sugar. Sugar is 4 calories per gram, or carbohydrates are 4 calories per gram roughly. And so, alcohol is actually going to be more calories, and it's kind of more similar to fat calories, because fat is 9 calories per gram. And so per its volume or per its mass, it's actually a lot of calories per punch, pun intended. So stick with the non-alcoholic stuff if you're trying to lose those pounds. And I'm telling you, It's delicious. Make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I will be trying to post more videos about how I got my calories down and how I lost 50 pounds and have kept it off. I'll tell you all my secrets. As a personal trainer, I do offer health coaching sessions now on FaceTime and by telephone. So if you would like to get more advice one-on-one, please visit choicescoach.com to find out more about that.